Okay, now I need your help now. I have created a block diagram to show different holiday locations, and I've used this pictogram to help me, okay? Now, on this pictogram, each circle represents 2 children, okay? So the number of children that went to these countries on holiday. So I counted the first pictogram, and I counted 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Now, if I look at my pictogram, I know that this pictogram, if you look, goes up in twos because it goes 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. So I need to show 14 children on my block diagram. Well, I know that each block, represents 2 children. So I have done 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and I know that I'm right here because if I draw a line, I get to 14. Okay, now my next pictogram, I have France. Now, if I count in twos again, because each circle represents 2, I've got 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so I needed to show 8 children on my block diagram. Now, so I coloured in 8 blocks. Okay, am I right? Oh, no, I'm not, am I? Because each block represents 2 children, not 1. If it was a scale of 1, if each block represented 1, then I would need to colour 8 squares in. But each block here represents 2. So I've now got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 children. And I only needed 8, didn't I? So how many blocks should I have coloured in to show 8 children? Well, I should have coloured in 2, 4, 6, 8. So I should have only coloured up to there, shouldn't I? Because each block represents 2 children. I must remember that for next time. Okay, so what I'd like you to do now is you have the pictogram and the completed block diagram to show the holidays to Italy and to Spain. Can you check that I've done this correctly, Year 2? Okay, so let's go through them together. Well, Italy, let's have a look at my pictogram. So I know that each circle represents 2 children. So 2 children went on holiday to Italy. Now, on my block diagram, I have coloured in 2 blocks because 2 children went to Italy. Am I correct, Year 2? Oh no, look, again, I haven't checked what it's going up in. So I've coloured in 2, and that's wrong, isn't it? Because if each block represents 2 and 2 children went to Italy, well then I'd only need to colour in 1 block, wouldn't I? I've coloured in 2, which is 2, 4. So I said that 4 children went to Italy when no, only 2 went to Italy. So I should have stopped there, shouldn't I, and had 2 children. Oh, whoopsie daisy. Good job you're here. Okay, let's have a look at Spain. Well, let's have a look at the pictogram. Right, so how many children went to Spain? Well, we've got 2, 4, 6. Okay, so 6 children went to Spain. Now, I've got to remember that each block represents 2. So have I done this correctly? Well, let's count. So the first block is 2 children, the second block is 4 children, and the third block is 6 children. Ah, yes, 6 children went to Spain. And look, if I move my finger across, I get to 6. So yes, I was right with that one, wasn't I? Because I've coloured 3 blocks in and each block represented 2 children. So 2, 4, 6. So it's only Italy and France that I got wrong, but it's a good job that you're here because now I understand. Thank you, Year 2. So now it is your turn. You have a worksheet called Year 2 Maths, 11th of February, Resource 2, where you need to create some pictograms using the, you need to create some block diagrams using the pictograms, and then you have a problem-solving question, a bit like the one that we have just done here together. Okay, so have a lovely rest of your day, Year 2, and good luck with your maths work, and I will see you in tomorrow's lesson. Bye.